Hi, my dear students. How are you? Are you working hard? Okay, you must be working hard every day as you suggested. Otherwise, we cannot reach what we expect. From the NCERT textbook, we are doing relations and functions. That is central syllabus. After doing it, what to do I will tell later. You have to do exercise, total exercise. Every question you have to do. By that, you will have some experience in it. That how to apply what you have learned, the learned concepts or the learned definitions. Okay, all these how to apply. The application process you come to know while doing the exercise. In that process, definitely you will have some doubts. You may ask me doubts to my WhatsApp number or messenger number. If you want, I will give the WhatsApp number. No problem. Okay. So here, everybody must work hard. Daily you must work for 2021 JEE Mains exam. That is very important. Everybody must subscribe, share, like for the more updates. If you subscribe it, all updates will come. Every day, some video class will come. So if you subscribe it, it is the very important. You have to view it, you have to like it, you have to share to your friends, and you have to subscribe. This is very important point. Today I have discussed and I have given some material. While showing the material, I explained it about functions, types of functions. Because many questions may come from different branches, from algebra, trigonometry, geometry, from all these concepts, the types of functions may be asked. Maybe the one injection function or a surjection function or bijection function, or what kind of relation it is, equivalence relation or non-equivalence relation or reflexive relation, any type. You may be asked in the style of questions in the paper. Therefore, you must do the exercise from NCERT textbook. That is very, very important. Today, I have discussed already about relations. I have discussed, but you have to do the sums. Today, I am going to discuss functions, the types of functions up to composition of function. All functions up to composition of functions, and some theorem statements also you have to remember. All these things I have after 1 minute. I am keeping all these things. Please follow that. I have explained it. Okay? Show that the function f maps R2 are defined as f of x equal x square is neither 1, 1 nor onto. You see the figure like this. It is nothing but parabola. F of x equal x square. R2R means x square if you take minus 1. If you take x square as minus 1, y equals to minus 1. F of x means y. Y equals to minus 1. If y equals to minus 1, y equal to x square, x equal to x square equal to minus 1, x equal to plus or minus root over minus 1. It is imaginary number. Therefore, if you take y equal to minus 1 which belongs to R, second R, codomain R. So it is not there in the domain R. Therefore, it is not onto. For 1, 1, how it is? If you take 1 for x equals to 1, then x square equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Okay. And x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 1. So for x equal to 1, 1, for x equal to 1, as y equal to x square, y equal to 1. For x equal to minus 1, as y equal to x square, y equals to 1. Therefore, for x equals to 1 and also minus 1, y for the both 1 is coming. Therefore, many 1, it is not a 1, 1. Like that, f of x equal x square, R to R, neither 1, 1 nor onto, by showing figure also we can understand. Next, f maps n to n given by f of x equals to x plus 1 if x is odd, x minus 1 if x is even. It is given. For that I have given 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, because n no. Another codomain side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Here also domain side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, but I put dots. Here x is odd. 1 we have taken from the domain side. If we keep 1, for x is odd, what will be y? Y equal to x plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So that is 2. For 1, 2 comes. For even number x minus 1, if you take x equal to 2 and the 2 minus 1, that will be 1. So for 1, there is 2. The image of 2 is 1. The image of 3 is 4. The image of 4 is 3. I have given that when that is I have given the picture here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 domain, codomain, how crossly it is given. Observe. By this we can understand 1, 1. 1, 1 means for 1 from the left domain, for the 1 there is 2, for the 2 there is 1, for the 3 there is 4, for the 4 there is 3. So distinct elements have distinct images, therefore it is 1, 1. For onto means if you come to right side codomain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for every 1, for that 1, what is the pre-image? 2. For 2, what is the pre-image? 1. For 3, what is the pre-image? 4. For 4, what is the pre-image? 3. So it is at least one pre-image for every image in codomain. Therefore, it is 1, 1 onto. Observe this. Next, here show that the signum function f maps R2 R given by f of x equals to 1, x greater than 0, f of x equal to 0, x equal to 0, f of x equal to minus 1, x less than 0. For that I have given, in pencil I have written, you see, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Upwards I have written, middle 0, downwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots I kept. That is in the place of domain. In the place of codomain also will be like that. But for every minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, R2R no, that is R2R no, R2R, R2R no, R2R means minus 1.5, minus 0.5, minus 7, minus 2, minus any minus negative value, it is always minus 1 no. So it is joined to minus 1 to the right side. So many numbers are there, but only to minus 1 it is associated. And for x greater than 0, for all positive numbers, it is associated with 1 only. For x equal to 0, 0 only. That is the signum function. R to R. How it is? Neither 1, 1 nor on 2, because distinct elements have no distinct images. All negative x join with minus 1. All positive x join with 1. So no distinct elements have distinct images. And from the codomain, from the right side set, I have written no, right side set. All numbers are left except minus 101. So minus 101 is the range. Minus 101 is the range of the signum function R to R. Therefore, codomain is not equal to range. It is not onto. It is not 1, 1. Neither 1, 1 nor onto. Like this, if any question is given, you have to analyze according to your definition. Definitions, concepts you have to learn, according to it only you have to analyze that. Come to here. For this I have written, f maps n to n be defined as f of n equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even, for all n belongs to n, natural number set. I have given, please observe this, domain n, left set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 natural numbers. Because he has given n to n, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 natural numbers. Second, right side, codomain side, I have written that set. You see, according to, if you take odd number 1, what you are getting? N plus 1 by 2. For odd number, n plus 1 by 2. It means 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2, 1. So 1 to 1. If you take 2, and then if 2 is even, n by 2 is given, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 2 also is joining to 1. So 1 and 2 in the domain set, both are associated with 1 in codomain set. So distinct elements have no distinct images. That is there. Okay. So here, so 1, 1 is not holding. 1, 1 is not holding. 1, 1 is not holding. He is asking bijective, whether it is bijective or not. It is not bijective. It is not bijective. It is not bijective. It is not bijective. Please observe this. Next, composition of functions and invertible function. Please read. Read all this. Observe F maps A to B, G maps B to C, two functions. Then the composite F and G denoted by G circle F is defined as the function G circle F A to C given by A to C given by observe how it is G circle F of X, G of F of X for all X belongs to A. This is composition of function. Please go to the application 2345 to 3459 and G maps 3459 set to set of 7, 11, 15 be functions defined as f of 2 equal to 3, f of 3 equals to 4, f of 4 equal to f of 5 equal to 5 and g of 3 equal to g of 4 equal to 7 and g of 5 equal to g of 9 equal to 11. Find G circle F. You have to know how to find G circle F. G circle F of 2. G of F of 2. F of 2 is G of 3. F of 2 is what is F of 2? 3. What is F of 2? 3. You keep 3 there. G of 3 G of 3 becomes. What is G of 3? Come this side. G of 3 is 7. Totally, we get G circle F of 2 equal to 7. G circle F of 3, G of F of 3, F of 3 equal to 4, F of 3 equals to 4, and G of 4 is 7, like this. If you take, find G circle F and F circle G, whether both are equal or not. F maps R to R and G maps R to R are given by f of x equal to cos x and g of x equal to 3x square, then G circle F is not equal to F circle G. You find G circle F of x, G of f of x, G of cos x equal to 3 of cos x whole square, 3 cos square x. Similarly, F circle G of x equal to f of g of x, f of 3x square. What is f of 3x square? Cos of 3x square, because f of x equal to cos x. Note that 3 cos square x is not equal to cos 3x square for x equal to 0. Hence, g circle f is not equal to g circle f is not equals to f circle g. Now, some statements you have to remember. F maps A to B, G maps B to C, or 1 1, then again. F maps A to B, G maps B to C, or 1 1, the G circle F maps A to C is also 1 1. F maps A to B, G maps B to C, or onto, then G circle of A to C is also onto. F maps x to y, G maps y to z, and H maps z to s are functions, then H circle G circle f equal to H circle G circle, H circle G circle f. Let F maps x to y, G maps y to z are two invertible functions, then G circle f is also invertible with G circle f whole inverse equals to F inverse circle G inverse. For that, one question is there. So to get inverse of any function, that function you have to first of all check up whether it is 1 1 and onto, whether it is bijection. If it is bijection only, inverse you can find, otherwise you cannot find. Therefore, before finding inverse, you have to check or test whether it is bijection or not. So, it is easy to see that f is 1 1 and onto, so that f is invertible with the f inverse 3 1 2 3 1 2. This is very fundamental, everybody must remember. Hi, you please send me doubts for the clarifications to this number. This is my WhatsApp number. Please take down this WhatsApp number. 9347196253. 9347 196 253. This is Jio number. On this number only WhatsApp is running. So you can maintain my WhatsApp number and you can send the doubts. You can chat with me. What are the doubts and what are your suggestions and how you are falling. I will also contact. Our interaction, both you and myself, it is must. It is very important. Otherwise, you will not reach the goal. Okay, I will help you. In all ways, I will help because there is a time, but I have started first chapter, next second, third, fourth, all syllabus I discuss. Okay, after doing this NCERT textbook, after completion of this NCERT textbook, for some topics, I suggest intermediate textbook. For some topics, I suggest NCERT textbook. And afterwards, I suggest some other book for recent object to 2020, 2019, 2019, 2018, 17, 16, 10 years questions for the JEE mains, chapter wise. Now relations functions one chapter. So after this chapter, if you have completed NCERT, and then we will go to the 10 years questions. What type of questions they have dealt, what type of questions in the question paper, previous 10 years papers, what type of questions have appeared. We have to see it. The student must go through it. And he can feel that very satisfied that these type of questions will be coming. We have to answer like this. Concept is same. What you have learned, what you have taught in the video, the concept is same. On the same concept, variety of questions will be there. Questions will be more. Because from different topics, from different aspects, from different spheres, the questions will be given. Therefore, if we go through, after this textbook, if we go through 10 years questions, I will deal 10 years questions. Some questions, very large questions naturally will be given, but inside there is nothing, same concept only, but the size is large, appearing large. By seeing it, the student must be confused. So, to avoid these type of confusions and what type of questions they used to give, what type of questions they used to give for JEE mains, you will also come to know after this textbook. If you have completed, if you tell me that, if you respond or if you react by WhatsApp chat, I have completed textbook, sir, I have some questions, these are the doubts, please explain, and then I will do another video, I will prepare another video for clarification of the doubts. If anybody asks doubts, and for doubts, some other video for relations and functions. Like this, we clear every chapter and let us move. This will be very useful. Okay? All the best. Please do it. But don't forget to subscribe for the updates. For these videos. You will learn more now. So don't forget, like, share, and don't forget subscribe it. Okay, thank you.